Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, make sure you are on the home page. Now click over here on manage under hosting. Okay, on the left side, go on domains, click on this drop down and select subdomain. In here, type your subdomain name. Okay, now check this box, custom folder for subdomain, and in here type underscore underscore and your subdomain name. Okay, now just click on create and voila, your subdomain is created. Okay, time for installing WordPress. Go over here on website, click on this drop down arrow and select auto installer. Okay, in here select WordPress. I'm going to give it a title. Now just click on this advanced option. It is important, so make sure to put your focus on this. Okay, installation path. Click on the drop down arrow and select your subdomain name. Otherwise, you will overwrite your existing website. So my subdomain name was my subdomain. Now put your administrator username and administrator password. Okay, now just click on next and install. Okay, so now it is over. WordPress is installed. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.